In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure your Calendly settings for a seamless scheduling experience. Whether you're managing a busy calendar for business or personal use, setting up Calendly properly can save you a lot of time and prevent those pesky double bookings. Now let's dive in and start connecting everything together. First things first, you'll want to sign in to Calendly. Once you're logged in, navigate over to either the Availability or Calendar Settings section. This is where you'll connect your chosen calendar, be it Google Calendar, Outlook, Office 365, or iCloud. Connecting these ensures that your Calendly syncs automatically, which is key to avoiding any double bookings across different platforms. Make sure you select which calendar Calendly should check for conflicts and where you'd like new meetings to be added. This step is crucial to make sure everything stays organized and up to date. Now, on to configuring your availability. Head over to the Availability section. Here, you have the option to create a brand new schedule or tweak an existing one to fit your needs. Be thoughtful as you set your working days and hours, considering any variations throughout your week. Also, don't forget to add any holidays or specific dates where your availability might differ from your usual routine. After making these adjustments, remember to save your changes. This ensures that anyone who looks at your calendar knows exactly when you're available. Next, let's move on to creating or editing an event type. To get started, navigate to the Scheduling section. You can either click to create a new event or choose an existing one that you'd like to modify. Now configure it by giving your event a distinctive name and deciding on its duration. Specify where the meeting will take place, whether it's Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, over the phone, or even in person. Pair this information with your availability schedule to guarantee it aligns seamlessly with your time slots. Once you've got everything set up, click Save to lock in your changes. Lastly, we'll look at configuring advanced scheduling rules. Within the event editor, you'll find the option for More Options. This is where you can customize the finer details of your scheduling, such as setting a minimum notice period before someone can book a meeting. You might also want to decide on a maximum booking window, which dictates how far in advance people can book on your calendar. Buffer times before and after meetings can be configured to give you a breather between sessions. Additionally, consider setting limits on how many meetings you'll have daily, weekly, or monthly. Lastly, by customizing start time increments, you can set whether meetings can start, say, every 15 or 30 minutes, as per your preference. And there you have it, a guided walkthrough to configuring your Calendly settings. Following these steps will ensure your scheduling process is efficient, organized, and stress-free. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this helps you master your calendar management.